is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another motovlog. So I did a 10-mile hike yesterday, and man, my legs are feeling sore. So I figured I'd work out the lactic acid today by doing some motocross riding. My legs are so sore that I might not be just pushing and doing really hard motos all day. So I really want to focus on trying to learn how to whip a little bit. There's one jump here out of a corner that I feel like is perfect for it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna give it a try and see what I can learn. Oh my God, almost just got death wobble through those braking bumps. Woo! Damn! Take that outside. Try to follow him. Nope, he's too fast. Oh! Stay inside. Ah, I messed up the rut. Let's go, Matt. My buddy Matt on his YZ250 two-stroke. I haven't seen him in years, dude. Oh, he ripped that corner. We've both been practicing some whips today. I want to see him toss it off this thing. Let's go, Woody! Oh, yeah! Oh, oh, I can't stop laughing. Udi just overjumped that so far. Oh, I just heard the two-stroke. Yeah, You all right? Yeah. Holy f. Yeah, buddy. These dudes are ripping. I swear that root just hit me in the nose somehow. How's that even possible? There's a triple out of this corner and then a good whip jump. Oh, that's gnarly. I don't know if I should try to like scrub it and coast it, or if I should try to seat bounce and whip it. Not sure what's easier. I'm gonna try to whip / scrub this jump up here. A little short, get my speed up. That might have been my biggest one yet, bro. Did I do it a little bit? Yeah, you got sideways for sure. All right, let me follow you. Let's see it, Udi. Woo! Damn, the guy in front of Udi threw it absolutely sideways. Nice one, Udi. That was sick. Yo, that was pretty good. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. You okay? I like the send though, bro. That was awesome. Alright, that one felt pretty good. I didn't feel totally in control of it, but it felt alright. Look okay? Look, did it move? Yeah. Alright. I feel like for these whips, scrubs, whatever, I feel more in control when I'm doing them off the throttle. Like somehow that feels safer trying to scrub it. Yeah, I'll watch you. All right, Udi, I want to see your biggest whip yet. Do it! Oh! He almost didn't bring that one back. Oh! You almost didn't bring that back.
If I stayed calm, it would have been great.
Ripping behind me, trying to stay in my lane. Go ahead, brah. He's ripping. That thing sounds so crisp. It sounds so good. Woo! I want to see something. Oh, he's trying like an oppo now. There it was. That was a good one, Matt. As soon as you point the camera to jump, all the boys start trying to throw whips. Look, Udi said he's done. He's still riding. He knows I got the camera out. Oh, almost off track. Yeah. Yeah, he's like scrubbing it too. Oh, hard landing off that triple. Yeah. This thing's gonna blow up. That kid has had that bike on the rev limiter all day long. They looked good, bro. The 85 kid's gonna show us all up, so. Of course. All right, Derek, let's get this triple, try a scrub. Triple, carry your speed. Like I said, I don't know if I looked cool at all, but they felt fun. It felt fun trying to learn some whips. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's motovlog, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.